Many of us have curly hair. Again, many have straight and beautiful hair. Curly hair looks ugly. Today we will show you how to straighten your hair natural way. Add 1 tablespoon coconut cream. Coconut cream will definitely help your hair grow healthier, thicker, and longer. Brown confirms. The vitamins and fatty acids in coconut oil help nourish your scalp and penetrate the cuticle of the hair. Add 2 vitamin E capsule. Vitamin E also repairs dry and damaged hair follicles, promoting the growth of healthy hair. All one needs to do is break 1 or 2 capsules of vitamin E in some warm olive oil or coconut oil, massage the mixture into the scalp and hair, and let it rest for an hour. Add 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel. Aloe vera has long been used for treating hair loss. It also soothes the scalp and conditions hair. It can reduce dandruff and unblock hair follicles that may be blocked by excess oil. You can apply pure aloe vera gel to your scalp and hair a few times per week. 2 tablespoons rice flour. Rice flour and rice water also act as conditioning agents and protein treatments for hair. The amino acids in rice flour help coat the hair strands and repair any damage that might be present. This gives strong and shiny hair, free of frizz, tangles, and hair breakage. Mix the ingredients well and make the paste. It's not over now is the most important step, and that's the application step. Use it well on your hair. After the complete application, the mask for 35 minutes. If your hair is really curly, you can leave it on for 45 minutes up to an hour, but don't leave it overnight, as then it will be hard to wash it off. Now wash your hair with lukewarm water and mild shampoo. Your hair will be straightened in just the first use and you will not believe the result. Do it twice a week for 4 to 6 weeks for permanent results. This is the most effective home remedy for hair straightening, which won't cost you much, and it also has no side effects, yet it's mighty effective. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to get more solution, please subscribe our channel.